It's summertime, so we got a new project to go perfect with the season. This truck is what's in the back. Check that out. That's a old cooler from the 1940s. Needs a little bit of work. You can see the top of it. It's extremely rusty. It's pretty awesome. Needs a little bit of love. It's got some rust on some parts that obviously need to be taken care of. I haven't decided yet what I want to do with the outside, if I want to leave it as it is with this patina, I guess. But it does have a lot of rust on the bottom. So if I were to fix that, then it would, if I were to put new metal down here, it would kind of ruin the whole look of it. So I'm going to do some thinking. It looks pretty good in the old truck, that's for sure. They go together great. Alright, we got this thing up on the workbench. Let me set the camera up. Yeah. I don't know if that's just like cotton, wool, what is that? Because the problem is if I were to try to weld something in here, I'd have to take all this insulation out because I would just start that insulation on fire and melt it all. How is this attached? So we might get some rain here, so let me get this cut off real quick. Gonna strip all the paint off, all the rust, and repaint this whole thing. Got all the insulation out of it. So now the insides are just hollow here. We'll do some rust repair, paint it, and then we'll fill it with Probably some expanding spray foam. And that'll be it. It's cleaning up all right. Okay, so I already got all the paint and rust off of it.
Okay, and I still see a little red.
Oh, that's fine. I got down to the last little like inch square of paint to knock off, and my grinder died. The one that I'd used basically through probably 80% of this truck project. So I had to go buy a new one. So here it is. A new grinder. Yeah. So, yeah. We're going to try this guy out. I just took it out of the box. Let's fire it up. Bingo. You eating?
He's eating grass like a horse.
Okay.
Hi, Coco.
Actually, let's mark on our middle.
Aww.
Cut out.
Aww.
See if this thing even works. This marker. Yep, it works. Okay.
It's a Z or a 2, whatever that is.
So, this is 2 pieces.
Gosh, why are you touching the whips?
So I think I'll cut this into 2
Why
pieces.
did you break it?
Amelia. I'm going to cut 2 pieces out and weld it together just like that, so there'll be a seam there. Just like the original part had a seam. So, let's see. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut 2 pieces, fold this over, and then I got to make little bends in each one, weld them in. Yeah, it's hot. Let's go inside. It is getting pretty hot out here. Okay, so let's bend these. Now I need to match this bend. Did you find it? Look harder. I think this is going to do it for this part. This piece. Okay. So I need to cut along this line. There we go. So I'm going to cut up here, and then I'm going to cut along here so I can get this to line up nice and flat. And I didn't record a whole bunch. So I got this done welded. It's ground down. There's some little pinholes in it, but I'm not going to get too crazy with the welding. This isn't like a structural thing. So if there's little pinholes and missed spots, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some, and I put some primer on it just so it wouldn't rust. I'm going to mix up some of this JB Weld and fill in those little holes, sand it smooth, and then we'll get to painting. Alright, I sanded it down. I think it's ready for some more primer. It feels pretty good running my hand over it, but it makes it easier to tell when there's an even coat of paint on it. Looks better than it did. Chip or move some of the JB Weld that was in there or something while it was still wet. Like a little scratch. So I'm gonna use, still have some glazing putty from my body work. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there just to fill that little scratch. I got a bottom piece to go underneath, cut out, it's ready for paint. But first, before I do that, I want to do a foam. I need to fill the inside with foam. I'm going to try expanding foam, just spray it in there and see how that works. But that'll be another video, I think. For now, I think we're ready to take a break, and we'll come back to it. Thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.